In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Amazon Prime with family. If you want your household to enjoy Prime benefits without juggling one shared login, Amazon has a built-in feature that makes it simple and secure. It's called Amazon Household, and you may also see it labeled as Amazon Family. With it, you can connect up to one other adult, up to 4 teens, and up to 4 children, for a total of 6 people under one household. Keep in mind, Amazon intends this for people who live at the same address, so everyone you add should be part of your home. Here's how to set it up on a desktop. First, go to Amazon and sign into your account. Hover over the Accounts and Lists menu at the top of the page, then click your account. In the Account Settings area, look for Amazon Household or Amazon Family. Open that section and choose Manage Your Household. From here, you'll see options to add an adult, add a teen, or add a child. Pick the type that matches who you're adding and send the invite by email. Once the person accepts the invitation, sharing is activated and their profile becomes part of your household. A quick note on what these roles mean. Adding another adult is great when you want a second full-fledged account in the same home to use Prime benefits, with each person keeping their own sign-in and preferences. Teens get their own sign-in too, and they can shop with oversight, while children's profiles are designed for younger family members to access family-friendly content. This setup helps everyone enjoy the perks of Prime while keeping individual accounts separate. If the invite doesn't arrive, have the person check their inbox and spam folder, then accept from there. After acceptance, they can sign in as usual and start using the benefits available through your household. Here's a helpful tip as you decide how to share. There are 2 ways people often try to share Prime. The best way is Amazon Household, because it keeps separate accounts and is much safer. The other way, sharing a single login and password, is not recommended. It's less secure, can jumble recommendations and order history, and isn't necessary when Household does the job properly. That's it. Set it up once, confirm the invite, and your family can enjoy Prime together under one household, with privacy and control intact.